Hello fellow traders, this is Paul Lummel. Got an interesting stock here, BROS. This is Dutch Brothers Incorporated. They operate the coffee shops you see alongside the road. Could this be the next Starbucks? You never know. It certainly has a good trading pattern on it. But first, before we dive in, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe. It really helps us reach more traders like you and keeps you updated on our latest trading tips. Now there's a lot to like about this chart, not least of which is that it has spent probably the last practically 2 years confirming the support above that $20 psychological price point. That's pretty powerful in and of itself. Now the cycle lines on it, first one set up in 2022, a TM-3 cycle, and we finally got outside of that in early 2023. Got the TM-6 cycle there. Next cycle line was TM-7s. Took pretty much 8 to 10 months to get outside of that and set that TM-7 cycle line. You got basically a 3.5 month TSS on the pullback inside of that, a TM2 cycle. But the breakout to the $50 PPP, which is just basically broken out of and just retesting the last few days. Market's been really soft. Had a big down day coming off the FOMC, and so I always look for strength in stocks that are bucking the trend. A lot of stocks went down pretty hard with that 1,200 point dump on the FOMC, and this one's actually a pretty soft landing pullback. You got the 5 to 7 cycle first wave down, and then the second cycle, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You're about the 10 bar cycle, and the second cycle lows are holding above the first cycle lows on a squeeze on the close right there. If that continues to do so, the price squeeze comes in, and again you get that obvious $50 PPP after that big gap up. So there's a lot of strength on the consolidation pullback, and we can get a run up to the pivot high, which is the U pivot high, which is 81 bucks, and get outside that. This could be a long-term trending stock. And again, it's paid its dues down here, basically a couple years at that above that $20 psychological price point. If you're unfamiliar with any of the trading terms I'm using, you can find our club lingo at bigkahunatradingclub.club/lingo. So if the market continues to be soft and this wants to pull back deeper, I'd be surprised if it did, just based on the big down day, and we only managed basically to pretty much wick down to that $50. So if it does, you can always use a scale-in version of this, basically buy the breakout, a 3-part breakout where you buy the breakout of a 5-bar high, 10-bar high, then a 25-bar high. So if it gets down in here deeper, you can even do a 3 to 5-bar high breakout, part 1, and then 5 to 10, and then 25 plus on the part 3. Just scale in. That way, if you get a deeper pullback, you don't overcommit your position on it. But I think we will get follow through, especially the fact we have so much momentum going into that breakout, and so far a soft landing pullback on. Again, BROS, Dutch Brothers Inc. If you're interested in our trading style and want to join the club or get one-on-one coaching, head over to cycletradingtraining.com. Hope you enjoyed the video. Take care.